Hey everyone. If Perplexity AI search isn't working or results aren't showing, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Perplexity AI relies on a strong and consistent connection to deliver search results properly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Sometimes a simple reload fixes temporary glitches and allows search to work normally again. Try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent search results from loading correctly, and clearing them often resolves the problem. Check if Perplexity AI servers are down. Server delays or outages can prevent search from functioning, and in that case, you may need to wait until it's resolved. Make sure your search query is clear and specific. Very vague or overly complex queries can sometimes return no results, so keep it concise. Finally, make sure your app or browser is updated. Updates usually include bug fixes that resolve search-related issues and improve performance. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Perplexity AI search when it's not working and get results loading smoothly again. Hey everyone,